Raphael Varane, former defender for Real Madrid and Manchester United, announced his retirement at 31 on Como's X account. Reflecting on his career, Varane expressed pride in overcoming challenges and emphasized the importance of stepping away on his own terms. He cherished his time defending the crests of Lens, Madrid, Manchester, and the French national team. Now he plans to stay with Como in a new role. In his final message, he thanked fans, teammates, and football itself for an unforgettable journey. Let's take a moment to reflect on the illustrious career of the French center-back and join in wishing him continued success in his new role. Thank you, Raphael Varane.